Hello, my name is Jose Arias and I am a customer service representative for Estrella Insurance. This is video number 2 in a series of 10 videos dedicated to answering the basic questions of auto insurance in Nevada. In this video, we will go over liability coverages, what it is, what it covers, and other interesting facts you should know about liability coverage in Nevada. Well then, let's get started. Liability is the minimum insurance coverage a person is required to carry if driving a vehicle in the state of Nevada. It's mandatory and required by law to maintain such coverage while your vehicle is registered in the state. The most important thing you should know about this coverage is that you must maintain a continuous coverage with at least the minimum liability insurance. The Nevada DMV will fine you even if it lapses for 1 day. At the time of filming this video, this fine is at least $250 per registered vehicle. Also, if you are driving with no insurance and get pulled over by an officer, you will receive a substantial fine, which at the time of this video is above $1,000. With that being said, you must have insurance on your vehicle at all times. This is what liability insurance covers. Liability insurance covers bodily injury and property damage that you have done to another. Liability does not cover any of your own vehicle damage or bodily injury. The allowable state minimum liability insurance that you may have now is 15-30-10. Here's how this works. $15,000 for bodily injury. This is the maximum amount of coverage your insurance company will pay out for bodily injury per person injured in the other vehicle. This includes hospital bills, doctors, rehabilitation, and everything that has to do with the third person's bodily damage. It is very important that you know that if a person has damage for more than $15,000, you can be sued for the difference. $30,000 for bodily injury of all people in the vehicle. This covers up to $30,000 of bodily injury for all the injured people in the vehicle. For example, if there are 2 people in the vehicle, it will cover up to $15,000 per person, maximum $30,000 for bodily injury. If there are 3 people in the vehicle, it will cover up to $10,000 per person, with a maximum of $30,000 for everyone who is injured. Therefore, the maximum coverage for an accident divided amongst all the injured people in the vehicle would be $30,000. $10,000 for property damage. This covers up to $10,000 in damage to the vehicle of the other person that you hit, or damage made to the property of others. If you want to avoid legal responsibilities, we always recommend getting higher coverage than the absolute minimum. When you talk to your insurance agent, they may recommend getting a little more coverage than the state minimum, because you can personally be liable for any costs that go over your liability limits. Saving a few dollars today can cost you a lot in the future if you don't have the right insurance protection. Many insurance companies understand this and in some instances provide a discount if you elect higher coverage. Always make sure that you talk to a licensed insurance representative who can help you understand what your options are. Insurance is something very personal, and you should always talk to an expert that can walk you through and help you get the best coverage for your individual situation. Thank you for watching this video, and please watch all of the other videos we have to help you know the basics of auto insurance so you can make the best decisions when buying your insurance. For more information, visit us on directtoestrella.com and on Facebook at facebook.com/Estrella Insurance.